Hello and welcome to TheGhostOfSabotage here once again. And today, just like yesterday, it's rainy. Freaking rain, fucking rain. And again, what do you expect from Britain? Sunshine, blue skies, warm weather. Anyway, that graphics card I bought the other week, sold it today. Yes, and there's water drops on the lens. Yeah, I sold the graphics card for I bought the other week. Didn't get it. Words today, man. Words past several weeks actually. Anyway, didn't get it as much. Fucking heck, words. I sold it for 55 quid. Bought it for 80 quid, so it was just annoying. Not as much as I wanted to sell it for, but 35 quid is better than Diggly Squid, or whatever the saying is. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah. That's pretty much it. Well, at least I'm going to someone who'll be hopefully be able to use it. Apparently, someone said that the main core on the motherboard or something was the problem for it not working, and that's not going to change anytime soon. So, might as well give the graphics card to someone who will use it. Unlike the other graphics card I bought months back, the 960 thing I got off at wish.com. That is definitely is a complete Chinese knockoff. How do I know? Well, I just put in the bunch of numbers that on the back of the card into Google and got a bunch of stuff that says knockoff, Chinese knockoffs and whatnot. So yeah, quite annoying really, quite the freaking annoyance. Can you tell I'm tired? Well, you probably be able to tell I'm tired, but all the me stumbling over words and whatnot today. Oh well, who cares? Anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much it really today. There won't be any more BuzzFeed quizzes, at least for a little while. But the only reason why I did them is because I had nothing better to do. Hopefully tomorrow will bring a day of non-rain so I can get some actual stuff done. It's about 6 Celsius if I saw that right. Yeah, about 6 Celsius. Rain will continue today apparently. Oh, are you gonna fucking load? Looks like they say it can be sunny next week, but I doubt that. The rain's apparently going to stay here for at least until Fridays, apparently. Oh well, who gives a damn? Anyway, I shall end this video here today. Till next time, ladies and gentlemen, tally ho.